In this video, we will be preparing a very delicious dish of fried rice mixed with prawns and chicken. So first we will be adding chili oil, right? Add some chili oil to the pan and let that heat up. So when the oil is heating up, you just add garlic and ginger and mix them well. Next we add 3 eggs. And don't let that stick to the pan surface, so keep continuously stirring the mixture. Next we add some prawns. You can add any seafood or any meat. So here I'm using prawns and chicken. So next I'm also adding some fried chicken to this, right? Keep on constantly mixing. As one secret ingredient, you can always add some sesame oil, right? So maybe like 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to the mixture. Alright, keep mixing. Okay, next let's add the rice, right? You can add little by little while mixing, right? Keep adding all the rice that you have while constantly mixing. Don't add all the rice at once because might be very difficult to mix. Let the rice fry for a bit, right? Then keep adding more rice and keep mixing. That's the most important part, right? You got to keep mixing everything. Keep mixing and let the rice fry on the pan and let that moisture evaporate. Keep mixing. Okay, now I have finished adding all the rice that I have. But now I just need to keep mixing until the rice is fried evenly. After mixing, you can add 1 tablespoon of salt, but this is for your taste. Mix well. Alright, now let's add like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, like this, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Right, and also add some tomato sauce, like this. And again we mix everything well. Now we are going to add carrots, like finely sliced carrots are added. And again we mix everything well. And finally we also add some finely sliced leeks. Right, it's pretty good. Now keep mixing everything until everything is like mixed evenly. Everything is looking good. So now you can taste some rice to check salt, and if the salt level is like not enough, you can add some salt, right? Yeah, I'm going to check. Yeah, I need some salt, right? So yeah, depending on the content, I'm adding more salt like this. And mix everything well. And finally we have prepared a very delicious fried rice, and I hope that you all enjoy this. Try preparing by yourself and let me know down in the comments what you think.